how to send money from South Africa to Kenya without any charges. Okay, so all that you have to do is that when you look down here where we have the pay button, just click on the pay. Okay, so after clicking on the pay, to take you right here, and then just locate the send here and then click on the send. Okay, so when you click on the send, the next thing you have to do is to just click on the country code. Okay, just click on the country code and then come and then select the country that you want to send the money to. We have all these countries that we can select, but since we are sending the money to Kenya, let's select Kenya. Okay, after that, just come here and then put in the person's number, the one that you are sending the money to, and then put it right here. After that, all that you have to do is to just put in the amount of money that you want to send to the person, and then you just send it to the person without any charges. Okay, so how can you get this app? I'm having a link in the video description. Just click on it and then it will bring you right here. Okay, so when you come here, first all that they are going to ask of you is your country of residence. Okay, just tell them where you live, and then your personal details, whereby you are going to give them your name and then your date of birth, then your login details. Okay, whereby you are going to use to log into the app, and then you create your security details. So all that you have to do is just click on the let's go. Okay, so when you click on it, it will bring you right here. And over here, just click on the down arrow to just put in the name of your country. So we are in South Africa, so just put in South Africa and then select the South Africa, and then just come down here and then click on the next. Okay, so after that, you are then going to provide your name. Make sure that it is the one on your government issue ID card. Okay, just put in your first name. After putting in the first name, just come down here and then put in your last name. Okay, if you have a middle name, just add it to the first name, and then if you have any nickname too, you can put it here, but it is optional. Okay, so when you are done, just come here and then click on the next. It is very important to click on the next. Then when you come here, you are then going to put in your date of birth. You then have to select the day. After that, then you select the month, then you put in the year. Okay, make sure it is the same as the one on your government issue ID card, and then come and click on the next. Then what you have to do is to just come here and then put in your phone number. It has to be your mobile money number, and then it has to be on WhatsApp. Okay, it is very important. After that, just come here and then set your password, which you are going to use to log in. Okay, make sure you follow all these check points to make the password strong. Okay, after that, just come down here where we have the signed me up for marketing communications. Just check the box and then come down here and then click on the next. Okay, so let's come down here and then click on the next, and then it takes us to the next section, whereby all you have to do is just locate Play Store on your phone and then go and then type in yellow card app. Okay, just type in yellow card app. When it comes just like this one, install it. Okay, so since I have already installed it, I'm going to open it for you to see. So let me open the yellow card app for you to see. So this is how it is. So after signing in and then logging in with your details, just locate the profile icon and then click on it. Okay, then come here where it says verification and then limit. Come and click on the verification and then limit. Okay, so over there, what you are going to do is that you are going to select the verify identity, where we have the one of 3. Just select it and then click on the tier 1 and then verify with your government issued ID card and then a picture of you. Okay, after that, they are then going to provide you that you have verified your yellow card account, and then the next thing I have to do is to just deposit the money that you want to send to the person by simply clicking on the deposit. Okay, so just come here and then click on the deposit and then select the manual mobile money, which is going to take at least 24 hours. Okay, so just come and then click on I understand, and then come and enter the amount of money that you want to deposit on the yellow card. Okay, so just type in the amount of money, then come down here and then click on the next. What you have to do is that you have to come down here and then select the mobile money provider. Either you are on MTN or Vodafone or any of them, just select it. So I'm just selecting the MTN and then come down here and then click on the next. So you will see the details and then they will also send you a notification. So all that you have to do is just click on I understand, and then you will see your details here. That is the deposit details. You will see everything, and if it does not come on your mobile money, just follow the prompt to initiate the payment, okay? And then they are going to send you an email indicating that you have made a deposit. So just come here and then click on I made a deposit, and then open the app again, and all that you have to do is just locate the pay, click on the pay, and then just come here and then just click on the send, okay? When you click on the send, the next thing you have to do is to simply come here and then select the country code, whereby you just have to select the country where the person is in. So since we are sending it to Kenya, just look through and then select Kenya, okay? And then come and then put in the person's number here. Note, it is very important for you to know that before you can send the money without any charges, the person also have to be on the app, okay? So just ask the person, are you on yellow card? If the person is not on yellow card, then you can send the video to the person to also watch it and then install the app, or you can simply tell the person to download it from Play Store, okay? So after the person have verified and then gone through the verification process, you then put the number here, put in the amount of money, and then send it to the person. It's as easy as that. So thank you for watching, and then see you in my next video.